Hey everybody, it's Lisa Torch here with another episode of The Goofy Blonde Chef. When I was traveling last weekend, I stopped at a Starbucks and I tried those sous-vide egg bites, and they are so good. They're just so decadent and so wonderful. And I said, how can I duplicate those? I don't have a sous-vide machine. I don't even have one of those seal meals, because the definition of sous-vide is under vacuum. So when you cook sous vide, you're supposed to vacuum seal the food, cook it under low temperature boiling water, and it makes everything juicy and tender and wonderful. Well, I wanted to do these egg bites, and I looked it up online, and some people do it in the Instant Pot. They steam them. Some people do a water bath in the oven. So I did both for you today. I hope you like this. Let's see how it goes. The ingredients for our egg bites are very simple. 2 cups of beaten eggs, roasted red peppers, diced very small, a cup of grated mixed Italian cheeses. This is some chopped spinach and arugula. For the ones we're doing in our Instant Pot, we're going to do feta cheese, tomato, and basil. We're also going to have 2 cups of water, 1 cup for the bottom of the Instant Pot, and 1 cup for this setup. We have mini muffin tins over a small round pan of water. And it's going to be our hack for the toaster oven. And 2 ramekins, which will fit on the Instant Pot tray. And we're going to spray the pans with cooking spray and get going. Now you could throw all of these ingredients in the blender, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to fill each little cup with egg. There we go. And now I'm going to add some roasted red peppers to each one. If I actually put them in the cup. That one appears to be lacking just a bit. And now we'll take a small bit of cheese in each one. You can be pretty generous with the cheese. You just don't want it to melt over the top and sides. We'll clean this up before we put it in the oven. It's lovely. And a little bit of green just to make it pretty. Add a little bit of flavor from the arugula and the spinach. These are very small bites, so we're not going to go too crazy with the greenage. There we are. Now I'm going to add a cup of water to this pan. Will help it steam in the oven. We'll put our muffin tin on top of the water. We're going to bake this at 300 degrees for 15 minutes, and then they'll be done. And now for our Instant Pot version, we've sprayed these with cooking spray. I'm going to fill them. These are going to be larger, obviously. We had just enough. Don't you like that? Okay. A little bit of feta cheese in each. And you know what? I'm going to use some more of this Italian cheese mixture, because these are going to be a much bigger egg bite. And our basil and tomato. And we'll use it all up. We've got a few little roasted red peppers left. We'll throw those in. And maybe a little bit of spinach and arugula. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do with these, I'm going to put them on the tray in the Instant Pot. 1 cup of water in the Instant Pot, and we're going to steam it for 9 minutes and then let the pressure come down on its own. So we're adding our water. Placing the ramekins on the tray. And put our top on. Perfect. And now we're hitting the steam button. And you know what? I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes. That comes up on the little display here. And we'll see how that goes. So the oven batch has come out, and how beautiful these look. We're going to just go around the outsides with a butter knife, and these will unmold really easily. So we'll go around and do all of them, and you'll see what they look like on the plate. So our mini group that we prepared in the oven just are perfectly done. No browning. They're tender, they're cooked through. These are going to be just wonderful. So it is tasting time. These are our little minis. These are the ones I did in the oven with the water bath. Perfectly done. Tender, no browning. Oh, they are so good. Taste the roasted red pepper, the spinach, the arugula. So very, very good. You're gonna love them. And now the Instant Pot has shifted over to low. I'm gonna let that drop the pressure on its own for about 10 minutes, and then we'll open it up and see what we've got. Versions are done. I've taken them out. I used tongs, and I'm gonna let them cool a little bit, and then I'll unmold them on the plate, and we're gonna take a taste. So you can see the difference in the size. These are much bigger. These are probably a full meal each. And they're cooling, so we'll give it a shot. Well, I hope you loved this recipe. I hope you loved this episode. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time on The Goofy Blonde Chef. Thanks so much for watching.